Hi guys, Medicine Woman in the Woods here. I am going to show you how to get rid of a yeast infection forever. And what we're going to use is garlic in the vagina. Yes, I said it, garlic in the vagina. So you're going to take a needle, you're going to put a thread in it, you're going to tie a big knot in the bottom. There's the knot. You're going to take a piece of garlic, like a clove, one of these cloves, you just open it up, grab a clove. That looks like a good size one right there. Actually, I had this one picked out. I really like it. So you take off the loose outer skin, and then it still has like a soft skin on it. That's fine. That's what you want. You don't want it to cut it and then it be juicy like that, because that actually will hurt the vagina. So you want it to be still skinned, but the thin skin is off, this stuff. And then you're going to take the needle and the thread and you're going to poke it through, all the way through. You're going to pull it up, that, and you're going to put a little knot close to the end down here. And this becomes a garlic tampon. And what you're going to do, you're going to put this in your vagina at night when you go to bed. And you're going to wake up and your yeast infection is going to be gone. It's amazing how fast this works. And it's antibacterial, antifungal. So there it is, guys. It's your garlic tampon to get rid of yeast infections. Who would know? Old remedy, been used for hundreds of years. That's how you do it.